What does it mean? I said it briefly the other time, that you cannot recover what was not missing. I hope I'm right. Recovery, if you are making your note, is to recollect. Is to recollect what antagonizing opposition has taken. When something that is dear to you is suddenly taken away, a lover cannot take what belongs to you away. It must be from the opposition party. Are we together here? So recovery is when what antagonizing opposition has taken from you. So when you say something is recovered, it's either taken by an antagonizing opposition. Number 2, recovery means to take back something that has been taken either because of enemy's attack or manipulation. Recovery is to take back something that has been taken by enemy's attack. When enemy invade your life, they are there to hurt you or to take something that excites you. I prophesy and I decree, the enemy will not take any of your valuable. That amen is standing on one leg. Now remember, we are talking about recovery of the glory of the firstborn. Number 2, what is glory? What is glory? Glory is God putting himself in display in the life of a man. Glory is God putting himself in display in the life of a man. When God wants to display himself, he comes. When you see the display of God in the life of a man, you don't have another one to describe or explain than to say, this is God's glory. I decree once again, your life will reflect the glory of God. When God is looking for a center, a place to display his glory, your life will be the next place.